All right, quick take. Beyond Meat is failing, and it is failing because, well, one, it sucks. And by that, I mean it genuinely is just a lame company. It came out in 2013, huge fanfare. You know, it had this whole cause-driven marketing blah, 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 that it was gonna change the world because, you know, cows are bad for the environment and we need to wean off meat. Great mission, love it, but I'm telling you, it's just marketing jargon wrapped up in a very highly processed food product. And so over time, what happens, people try it, you know, a couple fast food chains pick it up like Burger King, whatever. It just doesn't sustain because the goal of getting people to eat less meat is important, but the way to do it is not hit them with some whack, bad, average substitute. You know, Impossible Foods, also another company, slightly better, but at the end of the day, the reason people are gonna stop eating meat is because one, it's too expensive, or two, they just eat something else in replace of meat. Like, don't try to convince people that something is meat if they have meat in their heads. I think we're way better off taking cues from Southern Indian cooking that's predominantly vegetarian based, has incredibly diverse and interesting spice dishes. They use chickpeas, they use legumes, you know, get people more excited about eating tasty vegetarian dishes. Show people that it's way, way cheaper is a very important aspect of it. I mean, the environmental thing matters, but people care about what's cheaper more, right? So I just think the focus of this type of company is totally in the wrong spot. So what ends up happening is they raise a bunch of money, billions of dollars gets exchanged, Bill Gates gets involved, yada, 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 and everybody kind of comes in on this whole thing and it blows up because it's not some revolutionary scientific breakthrough. It's just a glorified veggie burger. It's a highly processed veggie burger type option, right? And to be honest, veggie burgers were fine. You cover them in a ton of sriracha mayo, you cover them in a ton of kimchi mayo or ketchup, and they taste just fine. So the next thing up is gonna be lab grown meat. That's kind of exciting and interesting, but at the end of the day, I don't know why humans can't figure this out. Just eat meat a couple times less a week. And the way you do that is you find satisfying, delicious meals, and you learn to cook them, and then you just don't buy the meat. You don't need to go buy an Impossible Burger or Beyond Sausage. You know, just make a really tasty lentil stew, throw some yogurt on it, and serve it with some brown rice. It's a way better solution than wasting billions and billions of dollars in venture capital trying to grow meat in a lab. Thank you.